In the world of Japanese style and homes, modular cabinets are not just storage, they are a system of living. They echo the spirit of wabi-sabi and finding beauty in simplicity and using negative space as part of the design. With limited square footage, modular cabinetry becomes the heartbeat of flexibility, transforming a compact home into a highly functional, adaptable space. Start with the essential stackable and interchangeable units. Inspired by traditional tansu chests, these modular cabinets can be rearranged vertically or horizontally, offering flexible layout options depending on your daily needs. For example, a stack of drawers by day can become a side table or a platform for a futon by night. This mix and match nature allows for evolving functionality without needing to build or remove permanent fixture. Sliding mechanisms are another cool tricks. Instead of swinging doors, opt for sliding cabinets fronts made of slide wood or washi-line panels. This not only saves space but also reflects the iconic shoji screen style, giving your interior a calm, breathable aesthetic. Sliding drawers under the floor or behind stairs can store anything from clothes to cookware without interrupting the visual flow of the home. Consider incorporating pegboard system inside cabinets, door or walls, allowing adjustable shelving and hanging option. It gives you the freedom to reorganize interior or cabinet without drilling or remodeling. Great for evolving storage needs. A single cabinet can function as a wardrobe today and a pantry tomorrow. Another cool idea is the flip open module, a cabinet that folds down into a desk, vanity or tea table. When space is precious, every surface must serve more than one purpose. These comfortable units can be made with soft hangs and lightweight wood like hinoki or cedar for a traditional yet modern look. To maintain a tranquil vibe, choose a natural color palette and uniform finishes, so the modules feel cohesive when placed side by side, stacked or moved. Open shelving in modular blocks can serve both decorative and functional roles, perfect for displaying ceramics, bonsai, or daily use items like a tea set. In a Japanese style tiny home, modular cabinets are less about storage and more about spatial choreography. They support a lifestyle that values flexibility, simplicity, and elegance, helping even the smallest home feel open, balanced, and alive.